I would do a little tutorial on gliding and try to make it as simple as possible, show you like one basic thing to get you guys started. First thing I have to say is that when you're learning, this is just my opinion. Everyone is going to have their own opinion and their own way of going about things, but I have to say shoes are very important. So I'm wearing my platform Vans, and the thing with gliding is you do need to get more on your toe, and so this allows you to do it without really killing your toe. And I think once you start to practice, get comfortable with the move and how it's supposed to go, you can put any shoes on and be able to do it. But I would definitely say do what's going to make it easier first. Once you understand it, you're going to be a pro and you can put anything on and do it. Other main things is your weight distribution. So when your toe is planted down, all of your weight needs to be here. So you can keep your other leg very light and free and able to just glide. I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like and then I'll break it down. So up, back, up. And then you can travel around this. Start with your left toe pointed on the ground, putting most of your weight there, okay? Most of the weight in left toe. You take your right leg and cross it in front. You're going to go past the left leg. Transition your weight onto your right and push your left back. So left toe down. We're bringing our right leg over past our left, pointing the toe on the ground, bringing the left leg towards the back. All right? So we're going to go 1, 2. All right? 1, 2. Kind of like practice this. Just practice those 2 movements. So now when you slide it back, make sure you then transition your weight and put the toe down on your left leg. So like that. We're going to bring our right leg over again past the left and push this one back, if that makes sense. Like that. It really does help. Like the biggest thing I'm telling you guys, make sure you start off with some really good shoes that have support. You can find your balance there. Make sure you are shifting your weight every time you go onto the different leg, because you always want to keep the opposite leg very light. So you can just slide, slide. It's a hot day in Florida, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll definitely do more in-depth tutorials, but I really wanted to get something out there that I can show you guys at least first step to gliding, a little bit of pointers to get you guys started. It is so much fun. Also, the surface of the floor, my garage is concrete and it's like heaven because you are able to slide on it so much more than when you're out in the asphalt, however you say that. Some of the other textured ground is a little harder. Once you get more comfortable with the moves, you will be able to do it anywhere. But like I said, try it as easy as possible. Don't make it harder on yourself. It's better to do everything that's an easier way at first. Get comfortable with it, make your mind really understand the moves. Practice a million times and then start challenging yourself. Put different shoes on, go to different areas to try it on different ground, and you'll be able to work your way up to do that. So I hope this helped. Love you guys so much. Mwah.